Hari Om, Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 11, Vishwarupa Darshan Yoga, Cosmic Form of Bhagwan Krishna, Verse 5. In the last verse, Arjuna prayed to Bhagwan Krishna, Hare Prabhu, Hare Yogeshwara, if you think it is possible for me to see your cosmic form, please bless me to see that form of yours. It is a prayer made by Arjuna. When I was in Delhi, I wanted to see Jaipur. I was not good at that time going through the internet, etc. I did not ask anybody also what to see. One day trip in my car, morning going, evening return. We did not plan well. We just like that boarded the car and I was the driver. When we reached the border of Jaipur, 4 to 5 people waved their hands. I stopped. One fellow, maybe after seeing my vibhuti on the forehead, he spoke to me in good Tamil. He said he hails from Tamil Nadu but settled in Jaipur. He is a good guide. He said that. He will show me all the interesting places which I should not miss. Believing his words to be true, I allowed him to enter the car and agreed to pay the fees, whatever he demanded. First, he took me to a museum. We were not so impressed by the museum. Then he said, sir, time is over, we will have lunch. Then we had lunch in a hotel. He said, this is the best hotel. He took us to a hotel. So we had lunch. Then after finishing food, he took us to a textile shop. He almost compelled us to buy the saris or the carpets there. Total time was wasted. Point is, if you go to a place, you should know what you have to see. If you go to a small city like Jaipur and you do not know what to see, then what to talk about the cosmic form of Bhagwan Krishna? The universe, that entire universe is a small part of Bhagwan Krishna. Nowadays you can go on the net, then it will give you places of interest. Whatever place you type, then it will give you the places of interest, religious places, parks, museums, beaches, etc. According to your interest, you can choose. In the same way, Arjuna is going to enter into an uncharted territory. Nobody knows what is there in the cosmic form of Bhagwan Krishna. Nobody knows. Even the Acharyas, Munis, Maharishis, they are all longing to see that form. So Arjuna is going to enter that form. Nobody knows what is there in that form. No internet can guide anybody to see the cosmic, what to see in the cosmic form. Bhagavan Krishna, that is why he guides him, guides Arjuna. What all he can see in the cosmic form. Bhagavan Krishna says, verse 5. Pashyam Shri Bhagavanu Vacham Pashya me Partha Rupani Shadashoda Sagasrashagam Nana Vidani Divyani Nana Varna Kriti Nicham. Pashya me Partha Rupani. Hey Partha, hey Arjuna, you can see my cosmic form. It is an assurance given by Bhagavan Krishna. Yes, you can see. Sadashoda Sagasrashaka. Nana Vidani. Hundreds and thousands. Infinite number of varieties. Nana Vidani. Infinite number of varieties. Sadashoda Sagasrashaka. Hundreds and thousands of varieties. You can see. Divyani. Divine forms. Nana Varna. Variety of colors. Akriti Nicha. Variety of shapes and forms. Bhagavan Krishna says, hey Arjuna, you can see in my cosmic form infinite number of varieties of divine forms. Variety of colors, shapes and forms. It is, even if you take this universe, it is really a wonder. How many varieties of insects are there? When the rainy season comes, you just open your eyes and see How many varieties of insects? How many varieties of birds are there? Different colors. Parrot is green. Eagle is different color. Every bird. Some birds are white. Multicolored peacock. How many varieties of animals are there? How many varieties of human beings are there? How many varieties of forests are there? Forests are green in color. Deserts are yellow. Snow-clad mountains, they are white in color. Volcanic eruptions, they are red in color. Sky and sea are blue in color. How many colors, how many varieties, even within this universe, within this earth. What we would have seen in our lifetime, maximum what you would have seen. Your house, your family members, your laptop, mobiles, office, and a few colleagues and friends here and there. No more we would have seen. Life will end. But just think how many varieties of species are there. How many wonderful places are there in this world. When the cosmic form appears, who will know what other things are there in that cosmic form except Bhagwan Krishna? Swami Chinmayananda says, even if you have a telescope, if it is not properly tuned or adjusted, you cannot see properly the objects. A telescope has to be adjusted properly. This does not mean that the distant objects are not there. If you don't properly focus it, you can't see anything. You need to adjust your telescope accurately so that you can have a clear vision of the distant objects. Similarly, here Krishna is present in his cosmic form, according to Swami Chinmayananda. He did not assume one to show it to Arjuna. Only Arjuna has to adjust his vision to see the Lord in his cosmic form. That is why Lord says, behold Arjuna, you will see my form in different shapes, sizes and colors with their splendors. Bhagavan Krishna gives Arjuna a narration of what all he can see in his cosmic form. What he wants to see is left to Arjuna's discussion. What Bhagavan says further, we will see in the next verse. Verse 5 again. Shri Bhagavan Uvacham Pashya me Partha Rupani Shadashoda Sagasrashagam Nana Vidani Divyani Nana Varna Kriti Nicham. Next verse we will see tomorrow. Harihom Sarvam Krishnarpanamastu. Narayana 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 Narayana